The power of leadership, excellence, and influence. How to create a positive impact in your organization. What is leadership and how does it promote excellence and influence? Leadership is the art of influencing and inspiring others to reach their goals. It is the ability to create a vision, motivate others to pursue it, and provide direction and guidance in order to achieve success. Leadership can be exercised in many different ways. From inspiring people through words or actions, to providing advice or mentorship. Leaders have a responsibility to promote excellence by setting high standards for themselves and their teams, as well as encouraging collaboration and innovation. They also have the power to influence others by creating an environment of trust and respect where everyone feels valued and respected. By doing so, leaders can help foster a culture of excellence that encourages everyone involved to reach their fullest potential. The 4 pillars of leadership excellence. Leadership excellence is the cornerstone of successful organizations. It requires a combination of skills, knowledge, and experience to be able to lead effectively. The 4 pillars of leadership excellence are communication, collaboration, decision-making, and motivation. Leaders must be able to communicate effectively with their teams and stakeholders in order to ensure that everyone is on the same page and that expectations are clear. Collaboration is essential for success as it allows leaders to draw upon the collective knowledge and experience of their team members. Decision-making involves gathering data from multiple sources and weighing different options before making an informed decision. Finally, effective leaders must be able to motivate their team members in order to get the best out of them. These 4 pillars form the foundation of successful leadership excellence, which can help organizations reach their goals faster and more efficiently. Communication is the foundation of successful leadership. It is the key to understanding each other, building relationships, and achieving excellence. Effective communication helps to create a culture of trust and collaboration, which in turn leads to better performance and results. Good communication also helps to ensure that everyone is on the same page when it comes to goals and objectives. It allows for clear expectations and feedback, which can help teams stay focused on their tasks. Communication also encourages creativity by allowing people to share ideas freely without fear of judgment or criticism. By understanding how communication drives excellence, organizations can create an environment where everyone works together towards success. This will help them achieve their goals faster and more efficiently while creating a positive work culture that encourages growth and development.
The benefits of leadership, excellence, and influence. Leadership excellence and influence are essential components of success in any business. Leaders who are effective at managing their teams, inspiring others to reach their potential, and making strategic decisions can have a significant impact on the performance of their organization. Leadership, excellence, and influence can help organizations achieve greater profitability, productivity, innovation, customer satisfaction, and employee engagement. Leadership excellence also helps to create a positive work environment where employees feel supported and motivated to perform well. With the right leadership skills and strategies in place, a business can maximize its potential for growth and success. How to develop leadership skills and strengthen your influence. Leadership skills are essential for anyone who wants to be successful in their career. Developing these skills can help you become a better leader and strengthen your influence in the workplace. It is important to understand the different aspects of leadership, such as communication, decision-making, problem-solving, and team building. By understanding these aspects and developing your own leadership style, you can become an effective leader and have a positive impact on those around you. Communication is an essential part of our lives. It is the process of exchanging information, ideas, and feelings between 2 or more people. Communication can be verbal, non-verbal, written, or digital. It helps us to build relationships with others and understand each other better. Effective communication requires understanding the message being sent and responding in a way that is appropriate for the situation. Good communication skills are important for success in both personal and professional life. Decision-making is an essential part of life, and it can be a difficult process. It involves weighing the pros and cons of different options, considering the potential outcomes, and making a choice that will have the best possible outcome. AI can help in this process by providing data-driven insights to inform decisions. AI can also provide predictive analytics to anticipate future trends and help decision-makers make more informed decisions. AI can also be used to automate certain aspects of decision-making, such as analyzing large amounts of data or providing recommendations based on past experiences. By leveraging AI in decision-making, organizations can make better decisions faster and with greater accuracy. Problem-solving is an essential skill for success in any field. It involves the ability to identify and analyze problems, develop solutions, and implement them effectively. Problem-solving requires creativity, critical thinking, and the ability to think outside of the box. It also involves understanding the context of a problem and being able to come up with innovative solutions that are tailored to that particular situation. With problem-solving skills, individuals can make better decisions and find more efficient ways of doing things. Team building is an important part of any successful organization. It helps to create a sense of unity and collaboration among team members, which can lead to increased productivity and better results. Team building activities can range from simple icebreakers to more complex activities that require problem-solving skills. By engaging in team-building activities, teams can learn how to work together more effectively and build trust among each other. This will help them become more efficient in their work and achieve better results. The role of leaders in creating an environment for excellence. Leaders play an important role in creating an environment for excellence. They set the tone of the organization and provide direction to their teams. They ensure that employees have the resources they need to do their best work and create a culture of accountability, trust, and collaboration. Leaders also need to be able to recognize and reward employees for their efforts, so that they feel motivated to continue striving for excellence. Leaders should also be willing to take risks and try new things in order to keep up with changing trends and technology. By providing an environment where employees can thrive, leaders can foster innovation, creativity, and ultimately success for their organization. It is essential to create a culture of accountability to ensure that team members are taking responsibility for their actions and decisions. With a culture of accountability, team members are more likely to take ownership of their work, be more productive, and make better decisions. A culture of accountability also helps build trust between team members, which can lead to improved communication and collaboration. By creating a culture of accountability in the workplace, organizations can foster an environment where everyone feels responsible for the success or failure of their work. Trust and collaboration are essential components of any successful business. They allow teams to work together more efficiently, enabling them to reach their goals faster. With trust and collaboration, employees can feel safe in the workplace, knowing that their ideas will be valued and respected. In addition, trust and collaboration foster creativity, as employees feel more comfortable sharing their ideas with each other. As a result, organizations are able to come up with innovative solutions that may otherwise have been overlooked. Finally, trust and collaboration create an environment of respect for everyone involved in the organization, allowing them to work together towards a common goal. How to use your leadership skills and influence to create lasting change. Leadership is a skill that can be used to bring about lasting change in any organization. It involves the ability to inspire, motivate, and influence others to work together towards a common goal. There are many ways in which leaders can use their leadership skills and influence to create lasting change. This includes setting clear goals, fostering collaboration, creating an environment of trust and respect, and empowering others to take ownership of their roles. By using these skills effectively, leaders can create an environment where everyone is working together towards the same goal. This will ultimately lead to long-term success for the organization as a whole. Building your network and gaining respect as a leader. Building relationships and gaining respect as a leader are essential skills for success. It is important to create a strong network of people who can help you reach your goals. To do this, you must be proactive in connecting with others to demonstrate your leadership abilities. You should also take the time to listen to the advice of those around you and build meaningful relationships with them. By doing so, you will gain their trust and respect, which is key to becoming an effective leader. Additionally, it is important to stay up to date on industry trends and best practices in order to remain relevant in your field. In doing so, you will be able to provide valuable insights that will help others grow professionally as well as personally. Becoming an effective leader is essential for achieving success in any field. An effective leader is someone who can motivate their team, create a vision, and inspire others to reach their goals. They should also be able to communicate effectively and make decisions based on data-driven insights. A successful leader also needs to be able to delegate tasks and build trust with their team members. By developing these skills, leaders can ensure that they are leading their teams efficiently and effectively towards success. In order to remain relevant in your field, it is important to adopt best practices. This means staying up to date with the latest developments and trends in your industry, honing your skills, and keeping an open mind. It also involves networking with other professionals, learning from them, and developing meaningful relationships that can help you stay ahead. Additionally, it is important to be proactive in seeking out new opportunities and taking on challenging tasks that can help you gain experience and stay competitive. With these best practices in place, you will be able to remain relevant in your field for years to come. Networking is an essential part of any professional's career. It allows you to meet like-minded people, build relationships, and exchange ideas. Through networking, you can also gain access to new opportunities and resources that can help you advance your career. Networking with other professionals is a great way to stay informed about the latest industry trends and developments. It also gives you the chance to collaborate with others and develop mutually beneficial relationships. By connecting with other professionals, you can create a strong network that will help you achieve your goals in the long run. Taking the next step towards becoming an influential leader. Becoming an influential leader does not happen overnight. It requires a combination of hard work, dedication, and perseverance to reach the level of success you want. By following these steps and taking the appropriate actions, you can begin to build your leadership capabilities and become a highly respected leader in your industry. With the right attitude and commitment, you can make a positive impact on those around you and create meaningful change in your organization. Becoming an influential leader is within reach. All it takes is the willingness to take action and the courage to put yourself out there.